In this video, we'll be looking at the ReverseInt interview question in JavaScript. My name is Larry, and this is Digital Logic. To get started, you'll need to download the project from GitHub. The link is in the description below. I've also provided a link to an introduction video to the series, which will walk you through setting up your development environment. With that out of the way, let's get started. So I've already got the project open in IntelliJ, so I'll open up the project browser and find the ReverseInt.js file. For this challenge, you need to write a function that will take an integer and reverse the order of the numbers within that integer. The following examples demonstrate the expected output for the provided input. Once you have a solution that you're ready to test, open up a terminal. In VS Code, the shortcut is Ctrl-tilde, and then type npm test ReverseInt, and then hit enter. And as you can see, the current solution is failing the test. The testing framework will test any function that you include in the module.exports list, so you can provide multiple solutions, and the testing framework will test all of them. If you want to attempt to solve this problem without any hints, then pause the video now. There are two different approaches that you can take to solve this problem. You could convert the integer into a string and then use string reversal. Or you can use some basic math to reverse the digits. The key to this solution is to use the modulus operator. The modulus operator returns the remainder of a division. That is it for your hints. Go ahead and pause the video now and try to come up with a solution to this challenge. When you're ready to continue, come back here and we'll walk through a couple different solutions. Welcome back. So I'll start by renaming this method to ToString. And then update the export. So I'll start by getting the absolute value of n using math.abs. This is required so that the negative symbol doesn't end up on the right side of the number. Now convert the number to a string by calling ToString. Convert the string into an array of single character strings by calling split, and then pass in an empty string as a separator. Now call reverse to reverse the array, and then join to join the array back into a single string. Now we need to convert the string number back into an integer, and I'll do this using the number.parseInit function. And then return the result. Now there is one important step missing. If n is negative, we need to make sure to return a negative number. So I'll multiply the result by a simple ternary expression. If n is less than 0, then multiply it by -1, otherwise a +1. Save the file, and then open up the console to view the test results. And it's passing the test. So I'm going to go back to the code and then remove the ternary expression and replace it with math.sign, which will do the exact same thing that the ternary expression did. Save the file, and then open the console to check the test results, and it's still passing the test. This solution demonstrates that you can reverse an integer by converting it to a string first, and then using string reversal. But there are a lot of steps involved in this process. It would be more efficient to just use some basic math to reverse the integer, and that's what we'll do in the next solution. So I'll create a new function, and I'll name it ReverseInt. So I'm going to start by storing the sign of n. So I'll create a new constant, sign equals math.sign, and then pass in n. And now remove the negative symbol from n by using math.abs, which will return the absolute value of n. And now create a new variable, result, and set its value to 0. Now create a new loop while n is greater than 0. Constant next equals n%10. The percent symbol is the modulus operator, and it returns the remainder of a division. And in this case, all it's doing is capturing the far right number within n. Now we need to take this next number and add it to the result. So result equals result times 10 plus next. Now we need to remove the last digit from n. And we can do this by dividing n by 10. So n equals math.floor n divided by 10. The math.floor function will remove any decimal points that's created by dividing n by 10. And now we just need to return the result multiplied by the sign. Make sure to include this function in the module.exports list. Save the file, and then open up the console to check the test results. And it is passing the test. Well, that is it for this video. If you like this video, then please like, share, subscribe. If you want to support the creation of these videos, then check out my Patreon page. A link is in the description, and I'll see you in the next video.